Hello everyone, welcome to my channel PCTech. Continuation with Excel practice. Today I will show you one exercise with request about calculate how in decimal format. As you see, the mission is find the total overtime hour with a format of a number like this. The number before the decimal point representing the number of hour, and the number after the decimal point representing the number of minutes. If you only sum and normal, the result is wrong. You see? Now you have to find the total overtime hour, which result is 30.5. Now I will show you how I do it. First of all, you download file and put in description below. You have this file. In this cell, I will celebrate into the past of a number and the remainder. With remainder, I will change to minus and change to hour and sum on. After that, I can find the total overtime hour. In this cell, I input the formula sum product. First, I will sum on the past of a number with formula int. Okay, number is this rank. I can select this rank because I put this formula in some product formula. Okay, next is find remainder. Some product. Okay, I will use most formula in here. Number and divisor. Number is this one. Divisor is 1. Which is the remainder in Excel. I will multiply with 100 to 5 minutes. As you see example in this cell, 1.15 remainder is 0.15. So I multiply with 100. This means it will change to 15 from 0.15. Okay. After that, I divide with 60. 60 is means 60 minutes to change to hour. Okay. Close parenthesis. Press enter. And you see, now we have a total 30.5. Lost easy. We have other way to find like this. I just present to you in this cell. Second way. Okay. In this cell, and put equal sum product. Open parenthesis. Minus. And substitute. Open parenthesis. Stack is this rank. All stacked. Dot. You have to input in double quotation mark. New stack is colon. You also put in double quotation mark. Close parenthesis. You press enter. This is decimal format. Now you change to time format. You plus the Ctrl 1 in the same custom and select this format. Remove second. Only keep hour and minutes. Without input in brackets, you click OK. And you see now it changed to time format with 30 hour and 30 minutes. Same with 30.5 hour. Okay, we have two ways. You can refer my below to compare with your way. Okay, so I already finished find the total overtime hour with hour in decimal format. If you see my video and this support useful for you, please like video, subscribe my channel. Thank you.